Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the email ID settings in your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms. So I have it right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main page that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page where in the top right corner we can get started. First things first, we're going to need to log into an account. So if you do not already have a Google account, what you can do is sign up for a new one. And if you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, now we can get started. We're going to go and be greeted by this home page after we logged in, where we can get started creating a new form right here. We can take a look at all the recent forms we have already created and so on. So basically, let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do to manage the email settings of our forms. If you not already have a form, what you can do is start it from the blank form option right here. That's going to enable you to create your form. You can give it a name, description, questions, answers, and so everything you need. So I have already created my form. Once you have it done with it, we can get started. So here we have a tutorial form for a video, my questions, and so on. And if I want to change the email options for my form, it's very easy. I just have to go into the settings option right here at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen, we can manage settings by clicking settings right here, and after opening up settings, we can now get started. So here we can take a look at the settings of our forms, and we have the responses option. By clicking responses, it's going to enable us to get started with managing the responses for Google Forms, and this is the option we want to manage guys, where it says require signing. By enabling this is going to enable us to require signing, and we can collect email addresses. You can see right here we have the option that says collect email addresses, and we can go and select verify to collect all the email addresses of the people that are sending responses. So you can turn this on and enable this to get started. This is how you can enable email options for your form, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.